Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at some of my recent trading performance in my Webull account, and I want to talk a little bit about some of the reasons why I do this video before I do it. So I've been doing these periodically where I go over some of my recent trading performance and talk about some of the details behind it. There's a couple reasons I do this. The first and foremost reason is because if you're watching my channel and you're seeing me take trades and you're seeing me talk about trading, I want you to know some transparency behind this stuff. I do really trade. I've been doing this for 7 years, and this is sort of my career path that I've chosen. It's my specialty, my craft. And so I like to show the results that I've been able to do over the years. So let's take a look at this Webull account. This is one of my trading accounts. It is not the only one I have, but it's a good size one that I trade. So let's jump in. So first of all, 5 days. So this is the last 5 days. You can see at the bottom of the screen here, the various selections. So again, we're going to start with the 5-day and we're going to go all the way through, and I'm just going to show you the various results on the account. So in the last 5 days, we are up about $6,380. If we go up to the 1 month, $36,354. The last 3 months, $65,946, which is a really good stretch for this account. The last 6 months, $85,104. If we go year to date, which is about 6 months, it's about the same. And if we go 1 year from today, up about $93,795. Now, if we go max, this is the all-time on this trading account. Since I started it in 2020, which is a couple years ago, we are up $131,000. Now, I should add that I've been building this account in multiple ways. Of course, I've been recompounding my gains and trading this thing to a bigger account, but I've also been adding to it. However, these gains that you see have nothing to do with the value of the account that I've added through deposits. These are purely my trading gains on the account on my Webull account brokerage. Now, I should say also the link for Webull will be down below in the description. If you're in the United States, this is a brokerage that I use to trade gold. I trade the indices on here. I trade individual stocks, and I trade options. So if you want access to Webull, the link will be down below in the description. And if you do use that link, you'll get access to free shares when you sign up using the link down below. So that is the different breakdowns of time. Now, you'll notice that there were some really good times in this account, like the time that we're in now, but also some periods of time that were not so great. 2022 was a really tough year, and now we're going to go month by month, and I'm going to break down the results in this account. All right, so now we are taking a look at the month-by-month breakdown on this particular trading account, and we'll straighten this out just a little bit. So let's take a look at this month by month. So the current month has been a really good one for me. June of 2023, we're up 31,000 in this account, which is about a 5.5% gain. Again, this involves my indices and gold trading, my stock trading, as well as my options trading, all of which are something that, all fall in the same account. So I do a bit of everything in this account. But a lot of it is, of course, the indices, gold, and options trading, which I share inside of the Discord community group that we offer, which will also be linked down below in the description. May was also a good month. We were up 10.5K in this account. In April, we were up about 3K. And in March, we had a really solid month, just under 20K. In February, we had our only losing month so far this year, which is down to 4.36K. In January, we kicked off the year real strong with 25.89K. So of course, if you're looking at just this, I want to pause and just say, like, wow, you must be incredible, Nick. You never lose. Well, yes, I do. Let me show you a tougher year for me in this account. So last year was a tough trading account year for me, a tough trading year for this account. And for the reason that basically the markets were really, really crashing last year. It was a really tough time for some of my options trading, for some of my indices trading and gold trading, where I was predominantly long. I'll show you guys years further back in just a moment. But as you can see, last year was a lot tougher, down at 12.4K in December, up 4.5 and 4.7 respectively in November and October. September, we were down 13. August, we were down 2.1. July was good, 23.84. June, May, April, all of these were negative months. And you can see that most of my months last year performed pretty poorly. Now, again, we had a couple good months. March was 12.34. February and April were both down months. So looking at this, you'd say, wow, this trading results are terrible. But again, I've been trading the same strategy for a number of years. This is something I'm confident in. And before I even traded on this particular brokerage account, I was trading the strategy that I'm using in this one, which involves trend following. It is mostly long oriented on things like the gold market, the S&P 500. There are occasional shorts in there. But again, despite how bad this actually looks, this is actually, we were able to outperform the S&P 500 overall in this account pretty substantially over the years. So we'll keep going and take a look at 2021. You can see this year was pretty solid. So minus 1.11, minus $413, up 19.49, minus 2.53. You can see several green months, some red ones. You get the point. At this time, you'll also notice the account was smaller, so the numbers, gains and losses were smaller in this earlier period of time. You can see we go back 2020. This was another really good year for my trading. I was able to catch several good runs on the indices, with of course some poor months in there as well, down 9.25%, minus 3.71%. But the point is, overall, you'll have ups and down months, and no matter what strategy you use, there are times when things are really good and there are times when things are really bad. This is part of being a professional trader. You have swings that make your account balance do stuff like this, where you have ups and downs, and market trading is not just this. New traders think trading is like this. Real traders know once you get into this stuff, trading looks like this. There's ups and there's downs, and it's very difficult to produce positive return overall. And in order to return positively, you have to accept the down times as well. So again, the purpose of this video is to show some transparency, show real trading results on a live brokerage account, both the ups and the downs, the goods and the bads, and hopefully this is helpful to you in some way, just to show what real results look like from somebody who's been doing this for a number of years. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey, guess what? I just found a video made just for you. Click this video to help with your trading, and thanks for watching.